How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another ETH update. So ETH is still at this very key level of support, maintaining the low $2,000. It's got some wicks over here at 2,075, 2,127, and while maintaining this key area of support, if I were to drag this box down into here, while this is actually being maintained, it's got every right to bounce towards 2.3. So that is what it's trying to do right now. We can see that the moving average is stopping it from doing so. It would just come into the next EMA anyways. But if we're going to get a strategic reserve on Friday, then this is a great DCA or area to enter a leverage position. You need to understand though, while ETH is trapped under the moving averages, with such an fundamental event, maybe act as a catalyst to get up to there, but it still needs to break it. It still needs to flip it into support. A pump into there is not technically good enough. Imagine if we see a rally that climbs up as high as there, but just confirms it as resistance, we will see a rollover once again. So even a huge market bounce is not necessarily the best. Look at what's happened the last time we got this humongous move, and same here on the announcement of a strategic reserve. So if it's going to be put in place on Friday, or there will be a further announcement about it, the bounce needs to sustain to the point where 2.8, 2.9k is actually reclaimed, all the moving averages reclaimed. It's a long way to go, because technically 3.8k, that once that level is reclaimed, then I can definitely say for the whole market, for altcoins, they should be safe again. But up until that moment, there's very big risks that even if we get a catalyst to pump, it could just be back into resistance and still roll over once again. Even if that's recovered, we'd say above the moving averages, the market is bullish, but there still will be many resistances up ahead that could send price lower. Look, the neckline of the Head and Shoulders itself, we haven't tested it as resistance, so can do something like that. Again, I will be here to update it as it develops, but at least for now, I think in the immediate short term, over the following days, as long as this wick at 2k holds, this will be a great DCA or an entry point for some leverage positions. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share to bump up the algorithm. Now just 700 subscribers away from 10,000. If you want to get educated so you can do all of this on your own, then use the links in the description to head over to my website and check out the options.